Alright, so apparently Ye ain't really rocking with Yeezy Day like that. He reached out to my boy Chase directly. He said Adidas did it without his approval, so what y'all think about that? Now, he was saying directly that Adidas went behind his back, they picked colorways, they named them, all without his approval. So what I want to know is, what are the Yeezys that Ye didn't approve of? Now, I'm not saying these are trash. I just simply want to know, what are the Yeezy colorways Kanye West didn't approve of? Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. What's up, what's going on, y'all? It's JA. For today's video, we're covering the latest Yeezy news, updates, plus whatever I feel like talking about. So if you guys dig what's going on over here, support the channel, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. So let's see, where should we get things started today? Well, according to TMZ, everybody's favorite couple, Skeet, Kim K, apparently have called it quits. I know, everybody's disappointed. After we get the news that the couple breaks up, we see Kim posting Yeezy again on the gram, and fans are speculating Donda 2 is on the way. Well, there's a little context behind this. Apparently, Ye collaborator Sean Leon, he posted Donda 2, leading everyone to speculate. Plus, if you visit YEEZY.com, there is a banner reading coming soon. So apparently Donda 2 is on the way. Well, we'll have to wait till we get some more further information, till we get real excited. Of course, they teased Donda 2 in February. They uploaded the stems to the stem player, and that's all we've gotten so far. No updates. The last word we heard from Ye, he was taking a break for a year, but now apparently Donda 2 is on the way. So we'll have to wait and see. But let's talk about these Yeezy shades. According to the Yeezy archive, these were previously teased by Instagram account Designed by Donda. These upcoming sunglasses were recently worn by Ye while he performed at Rollin' Loud with Lil Durk. These glasses feature a unique adjustable elastic cord instead of the classic arms and full lens design. So these glasses are crazy. Am I super hyped about them? Not so much. I would say the inspiration behind them definitely gives me like alien eye type of vibes. But you know, that's kind of the Yeezy aesthetic. Anyways, we're not so sure on the manufacturing behind these glasses, whether this is something Kanye is doing exclusively with Yeezy or if it's a Yeezy Gap collaboration. Only thing I know is these joints look super futuristic. They look super out there. I'm not too hyped on them, but I'm definitely warming up to them, and something I would definitely try on to kind of give that crazy look. I feel like these are something you would rock at, like say like a Coachella festival, something like that. Not your everyday type of glasses, but hey, then again, it's the Yeezy brand, so possibly in the future, all eyewear is gonna look something crazy like this. So let me know your thoughts on the Yeezy glasses, and are you guys sad about Kim K and Skeet, and what are your thoughts on Donda 2? Is it finally gonna drop, or is it all just fan speculation? And speaking of Donda, the anniversaries for the first couple of Donda listening events has just passed. Let me know if you guys attended Atlanta Listening Party 1 or 2, or if you were even fortunate enough to visit the private Vegas event. For me, I was able to attend Atlanta 1 and 2, and out of all of the events, I gotta say Atlanta Listening Party 1 was definitely my favorite, just because at that time not many people had heard anything about the album. It was, for a lot of us, our first time hearing some of these raw tracks, and I gotta say the emotion there was incredible. Ye, remember his iconic fit, the all red joint. He wore the Yeezy Gap brown jacket, the orange 1050s. It was just such a vibe. And then of course the second listening event, you know, he had the all black Demna Balenciaga vibes going on. But for me, nothing could touch the first Atlanta listening event. Of course, he did follow it up with the Chicago event to kick off the album, and then followed it up with the Donda 2 event in Miami. Let me know if you guys were able to attend any of these events and which was your favorite out of all of them. And we gotta talk about Yeezy Day, which feels kind of like a touchy subject depending on how successful you were during the all-day event. I managed to get 3 W's. So far, 2 of them have shipped. I'm still waiting on my high-res blue, but it looks like my Turtledoves as well as my 700 V3 Azales are currently on the way. Now, if you happen to strike out and were unlucky, not able to hit any of your favorite Yeezys for Yeezy Day, do not panic. Don't worry about it, y'all. Usually I do not encourage people to pay resale, but based off the way that the resale market has plummeted on some of these classic Yeezys, now might be a great time to pick up some of your favorite pairs of Yeezy. I'm not trying to make one of those videos like, buy now, these are gonna skyrocket. But if you're a Yeezy enthusiast and you missed out, now is a great time to pick up some of these classics. So pairs like the 700 V3 Azale are starting to hit the low 250, low 300 mark, which is amazing for a sneaker that was going for well above $700-800 on the secondary market. These joints are a bona fide classic, and in my opinion, the biggest steal on the secondary market has to be the 700 V1 analog. These joints are just super clean. They were never a super hype Yeezy from when they originally released, but based on the fact that they were off the market for so many years, resale prices skyrocketed to the upwards of $500, and now with new pairs on the market via Yeezy Day, you can actually get these joints for under the $300 retail price point. I feel like this pair is definitely a steal, and within the next 6 months, I see these going above retail. So go ahead and snag yourself a deal while they're hot on the market. And speaking of deals, the 350 Sesame, Hyperspace, as well as Red Stripes have hit historic lows as new pairs, re-releases of these joints have hit the market for Yeezy Day. So even if you're a little sour still, maybe you took a bunch of L's, maybe you didn't secure the pairs that you guys wanted the most for Yeezy Day, well, don't panic. The market is in favor of buyers, so right now is the best time to cop if you happen to miss out on any of these. Now, speaking of the hottest releases for Yeezy Day, hands down, it's gotta be the 350 V1 Turtledove, the OG, the classic. That joint dropped originally back in 2015, so you can imagine the resale prices of $1,000 plus was definitely warranted. Well, with the 2022 re-release, I predicted resale prices to hit around possibly $400. You know, I wasn't gonna exceed my expectations just based on the fact that the sneaker market overall isn't doing too well. Well, it looks like the Turtledoves are hovering right around $500 now. If I was you guys, I would just wait a little bit longer as people are still getting pairs in late shipments. I anticipate if you can get this pair below $450, go ahead and pick these up, because I think $400 is gonna be the price where it bottoms out, and then I just continue to see these joints slowly creep up over time. I don't expect them to hit astronomical numbers, but I think 500 to 600 is probably where these joints are gonna top out on the resale market. So if you can get them for $450 or under, I say go ahead and cop. That's a W. Rest in peace to Virgil. It looks like we have some new hype upcoming off-white releases. So fresh off the release of the green pair, it looks like Nike will be releasing a gray version of the off-white Air Force One. This release will take place exclusively in Paris. So what you're seeing right now is a mock-up photo of what this pair will potentially look like. It's another hype upcoming release. Of course, these joints are gonna be almost unobtainable as all of the past off-white Air Force Ones have been. Out of all of the colorways that have dropped besides the white and black pair, I would definitely have to say the blue pair has to be my favorite. And then we got 2 new colorways of the off-white Nike Dunk Low, which are rumored to be celebrating dropping for Virgil's birthday, September 30th. Now, these pairs are coming in 2 colorways. You got one that's like an orange and a navy. The other pair is similar to a UNC low type of colorway. Based off the color blocking for that pair, they are similar to the off-white Jordan 1s in that UNC colorway. So those are gonna be super hype. Dunks, I ain't gonna lie, they've been oversaturating the market with so many dunks that These joints right here are definitely needed, like for the hype beasts and all that. I'm not digging these like that, but you gotta respect Virgil's designs, what he brings. These are cool, but do you guys feel like Nike is honoring Virgil, releasing these on his birthday? Or do you feel like they're just trying to cash out on this man's legacy? Like, what do y'all think? Let me know down below. And lastly, for Yeezy updates, we got the YEEZY Slide Flax. This colorway was originally scheduled to be releasing alongside the Yeezy Day lineup, but it looks like Adidas, they pushed these back till later this month. So according to the back end of finishline.com, these are pending as a release for the 22nd. So be out on the lookout for these guys. This is not a solid official date, but just expect these to be dropping very soon. The YEEZY Slide Flax comes in this almost rich brown, almost copper-like colorway. You guys know how it goes with Yeezy colors. It could change depending on your lighting. So with new colorways hitting the market, no one's complaining. Yeezy slides definitely garner a lot of hype on the secondary market. So who wants to pay resale for some EVA foam slides? Like, it's just doing us a justice anytime Adidas and Yeezy puts more of these pairs on the market. And according to Kanye, he wants more of the slides to flood the market anyway. So it seems like this aligns with Ye's vision. Let me know if you guys are feeling these joints. For me personally, these are a pass for me. I'm not really digging this copper-like colorway. It's kind of just an odd color for me personally. Plus, I already own a couple different brown shades of Yeezy slides, so they're not getting me. But these are for all of the people that have been missing out. This just continues to put more Yeezy slides on the market. Continue for that resale to dip. Yeezy's for everybody, right? The Foam Runner Sand. What is the deal with this release? This pair was originally scheduled to drop all the way back in June. This is a pair that is set to drop in full family sizing. When it comes to the Yeezy Foam Runner Sand, not many people can tell the difference between the Aerorat. That's really just to get picky. That's really for the true Yeezy enthusiasts. The Yeezy Foam Runner Sand is just a slightly darker shade, but it's just barely noticeable. Like, I wouldn't go too crazy about it. This pair, of course, dropping in full family sizing, will be the first time for this colorway. So make sure you guys take care of the entire family. This is an interesting delayed release just because we got a surprise release of the Aerorat for Yeezy Day. They're putting more foams on the market. It's a similar colorway, so it just shows Yeezy gives 0 F's about resale. Put these pairs on the market. Let people cop the Yeezys that they have been dying for. So another W if you ask me. Some people will be upset that they restock these pairs because they want their shoes to hold in value, but you can't be stingy out there, yo. Think about all the other people that have missed out. So it's just great. More pairs in the market. These have a tentative release for the 26th. So as I said, don't stamp that date exactly. Just know they are coming very soon, along with the 700 V2 Vanta. This is another pair that was delayed. This was originally supposed to be part of the Yeezy Day madness or festivities, depending on how successful you guys were. The 700 V2 Vanta is definitely a certified classic, but when they first originally dropped, you guys called these bricks. But you know how it goes with Yeezys over time. They always continue to rise up, and based on the fact these came out several years back, resale prices were ridiculous, so it's great they're bringing them back because, as I always like to say, nobody wants to pay resale. So the 700 V2 Vanta are regarded by Ye fans as one of the best all black Yeezys. I've got them in my collection. I love them. It's just a pair of Yeezys that I rock whenever I know I need to beat them, whenever I know I'm going to somewhere where my shoes have potential to get dirty or stepped on. They're just tanks. Like, you really can't mess these joints up, which is why they're a classic, and not to mention, they look incredible. So be on the lookout for these joints. They are rumored to be the next upcoming Yeezy release, which there is currently a countdown via YZY SPLY, which is set to expire on the 19th. So we'll have to wait and see when these joints are dropping, but these are a bona fide classic. So once again, another W. But Yeezy brand, we are still waiting on that new silhouette. You on the clock now. We need a new Yeezy model before the year is over. So drop your thoughts on all of the topics covered here in today's video. Are you guys hyped for any of these new Yeezy releases? We got the Vanta, the Sand, as well as some new Yeezy slides to look forward to this month. Drop all of your thoughts down below. Salute to everybody for tuning in. I'm J.A. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Huge salute.